Hello everyone, you are welcome or welcome back to my channel, and I have some exciting news for every Popo user today. So Popo Life is officially celebrating its 5th anniversary, and to appreciate its amazing community, the platform have released special anniversary events with free rewards. Like there are free lucky draws, exclusive gifts, and much more. So in this video today, I will show you how to participate, how to claim your reward, and I'll also share why Popo Life has been a life-changing opportunity or platform for me. So 5 years is huge milestone for any platform, and congratulations to Popo Life for building a global community where creators, hosts, and users can connect, entertain, and create opportunities. So what rewards are available for you if already you are on Popo Life? So if you are new, Popo Life is a live streaming platform you can use to live stream to earn, and there are a lot of things you can do with Popo Life. I already have 13 different ways to earn on Popo Life. I've done over 150 videos about Popo Life. So in the description of this video and in the comment section, I'm going to drop link to join, link to become an agent if you want to, as well as playlists of all the videos I've created about this platform. So what rewards are they available for you right now? So during this anniversary celebration, Popo Life have introduced several exciting rewards, including daily free reward claim every day, either you have done tax or not, lucky draw opportunities, exclusive 5th anniversary gift, limited edition avatar frame and badges, special anniversary events, and other activities. So some rewards are available by just logging in daily the moment you are a Popo user. As you log in, for them celebrating the 5th anniversary, they are telling you thank you for being here. It doesn't matter that you joined today, but as far as you are on Popo Life, you have the app. Thank you for using the app. While others required simple in-app tasks, that there are 1 or 2 tasks you need to do to participate in this anniversary. So be sure to check the event page every day regularly. Sometimes in the morning, what is there is different from what is in the evening. I'm just loving it. All right, so some rewards refresh daily while others are not. So I know your ears is itching you. How do you claim this reward? So here's how to do that. Let me show you with my phone. Let me practicalize it for you, because I know a lot of you are already used to, and I've already spoiled you by showing you step by step practical how to do these things. All right, so I'm already on my phone. So right now, all you need to do, if you go on your Popo, you click on the reward. So it's two-way that you can do. You can actually do this. You can just click on your reward, or sometimes as you just go in, you are going to see the badge, right? So as you just join, click on your reward. If you did not see the badge, right, you now click on activity. In case you didn't see, click on activity. As you click on activity, you are going to see receive. So you just click on the receive, and voila, just like that, you are seeing 2030 coins. And these coins, you can use it to play games, you can use it to do anything you want to. So there are a lot of other activities, and to claim it, of course, to show that you are actually human, you are going to drag this and make sure it fits in. All right, just to show that you are a human being, and then you have claimed your reward, and you go back to that reward, refresh it. As you play lucky wheel, you get free draws depending. Don't forget, you can also read the rules and regulations, right, and all that. You can click on the regular. There are so many tasks you can actually do on this platform. Honestly, I'm just so happy. So all you need to do is complete the available tasks that you see right there, claim your reward, join the lucky draw and other anniversary activities before the event ends, because this is timely, right? I would advise that you make it a habit to check the event page every day, because new opportunities become available throughout the celebration. So some reward might not be available right now, but they keep unfolding other reward as days unfold. Like personally, I want to thank Popo Life for the opportunities it has given me through this platform. I've built amazing community. I'm able to meet people, I'm able to teach others, I'm able to generate income, and I've also seen many people that start as complete beginners and grow into complete confident streamers and very, very successful agents through consistency, through learning. And that's one of the reasons I'm so passionate about creating this video. Some people ask me, is it only Popo Life? Well, I use it to help more people to understand the platform and avoid unnecessary mistake. Through me, you cannot believe, if I should show you my comment section, my notification on YouTube, you see how many people are appreciating me. Before I see one negative comment, I must have seen 10-15 persons that are appreciating the work I put on this platform through my YouTube channel. So I want to appreciate Popo, and my advice to my viewers right now is, don't just claim the free reward and leave. Use this anniversary period to learn more about the platform, improve your live streaming skill, follow the community guideline, and take advantage of the opportunities that are available for you right now. Congratulations to Popo Life for reaching this milestone. If you haven't claimed your anniversary reward yet, open your app today and participate before the event ends. If this video have helped you in any way, please like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So these days we are talking more about live stream because that's where the money is. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. I have done recently, few days ago, I've done 20 most frequently asked questions that I've answered. You need to watch that video, most especially if you are a beginner or if you have some question that you need answers. I explained to you in that video. Don't forget, I will just at the end of this video, right up here, I will drop at the top, right, I will drop the link to this frequently asked question video, and in the down I'm going to drop the link to the full playlist about all the videos I've done about Popo Life. So thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.